Well, hello and welcome back. So our final step in assembling the new FlowerBot chassis is to attach the upper and lower chassis to make the full FlowerBot. So this is a LilyBot I have here. So in order to line them up, remember the words LilyBot are the front of the robot. So I want to make sure the words LilyBot are shown on both the upper and lower chassis when I line it up. And I line up the holes with the standoff holes, and then I attach each of them a little at a time. And then I'll tighten that up. So I'll start with this one. And now there is our new assembled FlowerBot. So whether it's a Lily, Daisy, or Rosie, the process is the same. The main difference with the upper chassis, for the Daisy bot, this would be most likely a Mega or something else, and this would be a half-size breadboard. And if it was a Rosie, this could be the Giga, the Pico, the Nano, and this would be a full-size breadboard. Please come back for more, and that is your hardware. So come back to see how we wire up the electronics next.